Salve and Mukul Rohatgi have urged the Supreme Court to curtail the powers of Enforcement Directorate. They said, and I quote, "No one is safe in the country if the ED is not reined in," end of quote. The two lawyers were arguing against the arrest of their clients, Basant and Pankaj Bansal, the promoters of Gurugram-based realty group M3M Developers. Ashmit Kumar joins us now with more. Ashmit, strong statements made against the ED by Harish Salve, accompanied by Mukul Rohatgi in this matter.
Indeed, some very strong comments being made with respect to the role that the Supreme Court needs to play in terms of quote-unquote reining in the powers of the ED. Now, just for context, the case at hand is that of the ED investigation into M3M directors and promoters, the Bansals, and the ED is essentially probing charges of bribery, bribes being paid allegedly by these persons to a special CBI judge. Now, as a part of that investigation, they were arrested on June 14th, and subsequently we've seen a whole host of proceedings. The Bansals moved. The Delhi High Court did not get any relief, and then finally this case came up before the Apex Court, where Harish Salve, flanked by the former Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi, made some very pointed suggestions. Number one, they argued that if these powers are not reined in of the ED, powers of arrest, if not reined in, then no one in the country will be safe. They went on to argue, to justify their stance by saying that in this case, the persons in question, the accused persons, Bansals, had been cooperating, that it is not the ED's case that they were not cooperating. Yet, despite that, the ED decided to go ahead, and that it does decided to go ahead and arrest the persons in question. Not only that, Harish Salve further argued that not only were they cooperating, there were also protective orders in their favor from the Punjab and Haryana High Court, and that this action by the ED is almost as if it is in circumvention of that Punjab and Haryana High Court, and that, importantly, that there is no argument made by the ED that there were any violation of the terms of that protective order.